Hang on. Definition: to wait for a short time. Example: she asked me to hang on while she checks the details. Hang on to something. Definition: to keep something often when you must make an effort to do this. Example: you should hang on to something warm because it's very cold outside. Hang out. Definition: to spend a lot of time in a place or with someone. Example: they like to hang out near the beach on weekends. Hang over something. Definition: if a treat or doubt hangs over a place or a situation, it exists. Example: a feeling of sadness seems to hang over something in the room. Hang round somewhere. Definition: to wait to spend time somewhere, usually for no particular reason. Example: he often hangs around the library after school. Hang round with someone. Definition: to spend time with someone. Example: she likes to hang round with someone who makes her laugh. Hang together. Definition: to help each other and work together to achieve something. Example: if we want to win, we must hang together. Hang up. Definition: to end a phone conversation. Example: she hangs up the phone angrily. Happen by somewhere. Definition: to go to a place by chance or without planning to. Example: a stranger happened by and offers to help us. Happen on, upon something, someone. Definition: to find or meet something or someone by chance. Example: I happened on something interesting while cleaning the attic. hold someone up. Definition. See someone in order to be punished or to answer questions about their behavior. Example, he was held up before the judge for breaking the rules. Hold someone something away. Definition. To take someone or something somewhere. Example, the guards hold someone away from the building. Hear from someone. Definition. To get a letter, a phone call or message from someone. Example, she hasn't heard from someone since last month. Have heard of someone, something. Definition. If you have heard of someone or something, you know that person or thing exists. Example, I've heard of something like that before. Not hear of something. Definition. If you say you will not hear of something, you mean you will not allow it. Example, I've heard of something so strange in my life. Hear someone out. Definition. To listen to someone until the person is finished speaking. Example, please hear someone out before you decide. Heat up something. Definition. To make something hot or warm. Example, she heated up something quick in the microwave. Help someone out. Definition. To do work for someone or provide the person with something that is needed. Example, thanks for helping me out with the project. Hide out. Definition. To stay somewhere where you cannot be found. Example, the thief decided to hide out in an abandoned house. Hire something, someone out. Definition. To arrange for another person or company to use someone's services or something in return for payment. Example, the company hired out something for the event. Hitch something up. Definition. To pull something. Example, make sure to hitch up something securely. Hold it that against someone. Definition. I like someone less because they have done something wrong or behaved badly in the past. Example, I won't hold it against someone if they make a mistake. Hold back. Definition. To stop someone or something developing or doing as well as they should. Example, the crowd was held back by the police. Hold someone something down. Definition. To keep something especially cost at a low level. Example, rising cost held the business down. Hold forth. Definition. To express your opinion for a long time. Example, the professor held forth on ancient history for hours. Hold off. Definition. To not to do something immediately. Example, we'll hold off making a decision for now. Hold on. Definition. Used to tell someone to wait for a short time. Example, she told me to hold on while she checked. Hold on to someone, something. Definition. To continue to keep something. Example, he held on to someone tightly in the crowd. Hold out. Definition. To continue in a situation that is dangerous or difficult. Example, she held out hope for better days. Hold out for something. Definition. To wait until you get what you want. Example, he is holding out for something better. In the next tutorial, I will teach you English phrasal verbs with meaning. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.